Are not going to want to miss because today I have a strategy for you. You are going to love. I am always looking for ways that I could work smarter and not harder. You know what I'm talking about? So today I have a super easy social media strategy that I just learned from a video I was watching by Rachel Pedersen to get my tips and my strategies so that you can grow your business faster with less stress. Make sure to subscribe to my newsletter. Go to the bottom, click successwithkarenb.com, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and sign up. So, if you're like me, you hate spending hours upon hours upon hours upon hours every single day at your computer trying to figure out what you're going to say in your content, coming up with some kind of cohesive plan. It's exhausting. It also keeps you from doing the other things you need to in your business. So, because I'm always looking for ways that I can leverage my time, how I can do more in less time and be organized, I'm always on the hunt for things. Because, let's be honest, it is super easy to get overwhelmed, and overwhelm is a motivation killer. Do you agree with me or do you agree with me? So I will be honest, I just started connecting with Rachel Pedersen's stuff. She's been out there for a while, but there's so many people out there. But I just recently started watching her and consuming her content, and I gotta say, she's amazing. And if you never heard of her, I would suggest checking her out. She's a social media strategist, TikTok expert who gives a lot of information about how you can grow your business. I found this video recently and I love it. And it's going to help you and me develop a social media plan for our content for the next year. Pretty cool, huh? I'm going to actually drop the link to the video that I'm referencing below. Go ahead and check it out. I highly recommend watching and implementing. I know I will be. So, in short, this is what she is putting out there. Get really super clear on your specialty, not your niche. I know you're discussing niche recently, not your niche. This is what you provide. Then once you get really clear on that, create 12 subtopics of that main specialty. Things that your ideal client, customer, audience will all have in common or their pain points. So you're going to be creating a subtopic in essence for each month. And out of that, you're going to be creating your content. So then once you have the 12 subtopics, you're going to then take it off to Google and you're going to do a Google search for each topic. You're going to go to the people also ask section, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to put the subtopic in, and you're going to see the questions that are being asked. And that's how you get your prompts, your ideas. Click in and then click out. You'll see how the list expands. Pick 30 of each of the 12 solid stuff. These are going to be your prompts. Then compile all of this into a spreadsheet. Rachel Pedersen uses Google spreadsheets. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do this for each of the 12 subtopics. Going to put everything into a spreadsheet. Then you're going to randomize it so you're not talking about the same thing all the time. And that's basically it. This is going to give you content ideas and prompts for the next year. She then proceeds to give you a bunch of other things to ramp it up. But again, I recommend going to watch it because in all honesty, she will explain it better than I ever could. I hope this was of value to you. I love this strategy. It's so easy and I love sharing it with you. If you want to grow your business faster with less stress, again, head on down to successwithkarenb.com. Check out my no cost or low cost resources. I've got a bunch for you. The very top, you are going to see a tab that says Market Like a Pro. Click that. That's going to take you to a 14-day trial where you'll be able to learn how to get leads, how to close sales for your business. It's fabulous. Again, I hope you got value from this, and I will see you on the next one.